Oliver here from the Hooked Camper YouTube channel, and I am setting off with a kayak and a broken fishing rod to catch and cook a fish most consider trash. Let's go. The sun has just poked up over the hill. It was about 15 degrees this morning and it's meant to get to 33 today. As some of you may know, in the last video, I snapped off the top of my fishing rod. So we'll see if we can pull it off and catch a fish. First I'm going to tie on this clip swivel so that I can interchange my rigs and lures. So we've got some trout worms and a single barbless hook, which makes less damage and hook removal much easier. Holy moly, it's getting hot already. I put a small split shot on the worm here. So I'm just going to go out deep and kind of just drag it along the bottom, see what happens. Oh! Holy, I got one! Woo! Oh. Woo-wee. Oh. 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 Ah. Ah. And that is a Northern Pikeminnow, which honestly is what I've been catching most of the time. There we go, Northern Pikeminnow. Now these guys are native to this area, but they're such a bloom in population, they're considered a pest and they're considered a trash fish. There's even in some areas in North America a bounty on these fish just to reduce the numbers. They eat the babies and then all these fish don't flourish as well. So a lot of people take out the Northern Pikeminnow when they can. I just dropped them, so that one got away. We'll see if we can get another one. Well, I'm just here fishing and I'm pretty sure this helicopter is hovering over a fire. Here comes one with a water bucket. There they go. And now we wait. Ooh. There we go. Nice pikeminnow. It's like an old boat wreck or something down here for the camera. Fish acquired. We're headed back home. Okay everybody, as you may have noticed, it is sunset. It's been a little while since I left the lake, but I've got a fish to fillet and a meal to cook. So the Northern Pikeminnow has a reputation for being full of bones, but we're going to cook it up nice anyway. There we go, there's one very small, very badly cut fillet. Alrighty, there we go. Two nice clean fillets of nice clean white meat. Looks good. Bad cut though. That's my fault. Alright, it's time to cook these fillets up, and I'm going to cook them in butter to make them nice and juicy and crispy. They should be delicious. Put some butter in there. Oh, it's definitely hot enough. Flip one of these. Got some orange, give it some sweetness. Good. Should be good on the flesh side. We'll give it a little more on the skin, just so they're extra crisp. Now I'm gonna try and, I don't know, caramelize these. We'll see what happens. Let's see what's happened. Okay. A bit more charred look. Got a big box of mixed greens salad here, and we're gonna combine that with some goat's cheese and some sweet cranberries. Goat's cheese. Oh, look at that. I could just scoop it into my mouth. Oh, oh, oh. It's a big chunk. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's try this fish. Okay, let me try. Pretty good. Tastes like pretty nice, mild fish. No overpowering taste. No big bones in that bite, so that's a bonus. So far, so good. Oh, yeah. All the goat's cheese. And cranberry. It's a good mix. Sweet and savory. Cheesy. That was good. So the fish was actually pretty good. For a considered a trash fish, you know, people kill them, they just throw them away. But it was pretty good. Nice firm white meat. Good, it worked well with the spices, especially with the butter. Butter makes everything better. But I understand now about the bones. There were so many bones in there, but on a bigger fish, it would be easier to pull the bones out. It was just on a small scale, they were very tiny. So you get a couple when you're eating them, but you know, it's pretty good for a trash fish. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We put up a new video every weekend. So I'll see you guys next week.